probably can't tell it. In fact, I'm sure you can't, but there's hail coming down. Not a lot. The size of peas. It is hailing, yep. Size of peas.
A little bigger than peas. Almost.
It's 10 o'clock in the morning, and it is really, really dark. Just fertilized the lawn a couple days ago, so even though it's going to be miserably cold Monday and Tuesday, it should be showing signs of getting nice and green in the next 7 days or so. If you can notice, in the south, the sky is brightening up. You can see where the sun's coming through. But it is dark in La Crosse at 10 o'clock in the morning. And the hail is, here's a little hail pouncing up here. Little piece, ooh. And the hail's starting to add up on the ground. Still can't really tell it with this camera because it's so dark. And the rain is a moderately heavy rain. See, it's so dark that our little solar lights are on. Prior to this, there was big winds about 10-15 minutes ago. Now there's very little wind, but moderately heavy rain, not super heavy by any means, and hail, a steady flow of hail. Everything from BB size to marble size now. The light above the porch is on. It's one of those light sensor lights, and it's so dark that that one came on. Well, not too much more happened here. Just whoa.